Point of treatment of hyponatremia. Number one, if the patient have symptom, so the development of hyponatremia is acute, that means less than 48 hours of duration, and you treat the patient with 3% sodium chloride solution IV 1 ml per kg body weight, and you should correct the sodium concentration up to the limit where the patient is almost asymptomatic, or you can correct the sodium concentration to 130 millimole per liter within day 1. But in case of chronic, that means the patient have hyponatremia but have not have any symptom, you always suspect this is a chronic case, and should not be corrected very quickly, and the rate of correction is less than 10 millimole per day in first day, and less than 18 millimole 18 millimole within first 2 days. And you should always think that fluid restriction is quite necessary for the treatment of hyponatremia if it is due to shared or hypothyroidism, as in case of euvolemic status, and in hypervolemic such as chronic liver disease, CKD, nephrotic syndrome, and protein losing enteropathy and congestive cardiac failure. In these cases, you must restrict sodium and water, no added salt, and water intake 500 to 700 ml per day. But in case of hypovolemic, such as diarrhea, vomiting, burn, sweating, and diuretic therapy, you should give volume replacement with 0.9% sodium chloride. But you always remember, if the patient have symptoms, you you must give 3% sodium chloride solution irrespective of volume status. And number 3 is, if the hyponatremia due to antipsychotic, anticonvulsant, or opioid, you must stop the drug. Thank you.